This is the ACC-B, a pole-mountable T-bar that turns any 35mm speaker stand into a lighting stand. Are you ready to take your DJ lighting to the next level? Look no further than the Rockville ACC-B. This ingenious attachment transforms any 35mm pole mount speaker stand into a versatile T-bar lighting stand. With its unique collapsible design, the ACC-B is a breeze to transport. Whether gigging at a club, hosting an outdoor event, or rocking a private party, just fold it down and slip it into the included travel bag. It's your trusty sidekick, no fuss, no hassle. Setting up is just as easy. The hand-tightening knob securely fastens the T-bar to your 35mm pole stand. No tools required. Just twist and lock. You'll be ready to rock in minutes. And let's talk about lighting. With 4 hang holes and including mounting knobs, you have complete creative freedom. Arrange your lights however you like and rest easy knowing they'll stay securely in place all night long. Built to last, the ACC-B features a heavy-duty steel structure that can handle the rigors of DJ life. It's like having a roadie in your back pocket, supporting your lighting gear without breaking a sweat. With a load capacity of up to 200 pounds, it's perfect for hanging moving heads, park cans, laser lights, and any other effect lights that you might have. The entire bar spans 48 inches, providing ample space for all your lighting fixtures, while its sleek black finish adds sophistication to your setup. So fellow DJs, gear up with the Rockville ACC-B T-Bar Accessory. Light up the night and make your mark on the dance floor. So if you're looking for a T-bar that turns any 35mm speaker stand into a lighting stand, look no further than the ACC-B from Rockville.